How to solve Windows Boot Manager blocked by security policy after BIOS update. So if you resolve Windows Boot Manager is blocked by security policy after BIOS update, then what you need to do is you just need simply watch this video. A BIOS update commonly triggers the Windows Boot Manager has been blocked by the current security policy error by altering secure boot settings or updating the forbidden signature database. To fix this, you'll need to adjust your secure boot configuration within the BIOS. So the first method is disable secure boot, which is the quickest fix. The easiest way to bypass the security block is to turn off your secure boot. To do that, you need to restart your computer and repeatedly press the BIOS or UEFI key for your manufacturer, which is usually your F2, F12, F1, or Dell during your startup. Navigate to the Security Boot or Authentication tab using your keyboard's arrow keys. After that, locate the Secure Boot option and change it to Disable. Then press F10 or Fn plus F10 to save and exit. And then click on Confirm and let your PC boot normally. And your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't, then you need to go with the second method, which is Reset Secure Boot Keys, which is a permanent. If you prefer to keep your secure boot enabled, you can reset the security keys so your system redetects and trusts your Windows bootloader. So enter your BIOS or UEFI settings and then go to the Security tab and find the Secure Boot. Set the Secure Boot mode to Custom and then select the option Clear Secure Boot Keys. After that, save and exit the BIOS and boot back into your BIOS. Navigate back to the Secure Boot session and select Install Default Secure Boot Keys or restore your factory keys. Switch the mode back to standard and make sure the secure boot is enabled and save the changes. And this will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.